I'm hoping you all are doing fine. You and your all family member are fine. So guys, as you know that yesterday our respected Pappan sir has taken a session with our Mohit Agarwal sir. In this session, Pappan sir has tried to give the answers of every questions arising in the mind of every CMA student nowadays. So in this, those student watch the session, you can and those yet did not watch the session, you can directly watch the session from the official YouTube channel of CMA Mohit Agarwal sir. You can directly watch the session. But in this video, I will try to, you can say that, give the answers in a crux manner, so that you can also understand each and every point. But after watching this video, you have any doubt, you can ask me, and surely I will try to help you. So first of all, we'll discuss about the mode of examination. So as you know that in one of earlier session with Sanket Bhai, Pappan sir has clearly said that yes, institute is going with the online examination as Jan 21 exams. But that time, there is a question that whether it will be a home based or center based or both. So guys, in yesterday's session, Pappan sir has given an indication that yes, institute is going as per Jan 21. Okay, so yes, institute is providing home or center based. Okay, but still we have to wait for the official notification for this. But nowadays, now whenever if institute is providing home based or center based, but this time institute will fully ensure that there will be no such kind of malpractices arising in home based. Okay, and now most of the students are worried about whether this home based will impact CMA profession or not. So guys, as you know that whenever any institute is taking the decision, so he consider all the stakeholder of the institute, means he has taken all the viewpoint of every council member or qualified member. So guys, yes, if institute is taking this decision, so yes means he has already considered the viewpoint of every qualified member or every council member. So you need not to worry about. Institute always think about the betterment of the profession and betterment of student as well as. So you need not to worry about this. And still we have to wait for the official notification. But what about the, you can say that nowadays some of the student and their family member are suffering from COVID-19 and they are worried about, as you know that yes, life is more important than exam. First our priority is to take care of our health. And whether for those students whether opt-out option is available or not. So guys, if you see the past trend, CA Institute, CMA Institute and CS Institute, all these three bodies at the end provided the opt-out option. So do not worry about the opt-out option for those who's either themselves or their family member are suffering from COVID-19. Yes, institute will surely provide the opt-out options. What about the re-verification or withheld results? So yes, every withheld student or every re-verification student will receive their results, but it will take some more time. So still we have to wait for the official notification for this. Whenever there is information related with withheld or re-verification, I will surely share with you. But my suggestion to re-verification student, please submit your exam form. Do not wait for the last date at 30th May. So please fill the exam form. Do not wait for the re-verification results. But yes, Pappan sir has also clear that if any student want to fill after the expiration of, you can say if he want to wait for re-verification results, so yet after re-verification result he can also fill. But my suggestion to those students, on a conservative concept or provision basis, try to fill your exam form. Do not wait for re-verification result. If it comes positive, you will automatically get, you need to just process, but you will get your refund amount. Okay, so my suggestion, on provision basis, fill the exam form. Now what about the postponement of exam or not? So guys, as you know that if we see the last month, cases are coming 4 lakh or more per day. But if we see current scenarios, cases are decreasing day by day. Yesterday 1,86,000 cases are coming, around 180 190 cases are coming. So still we have 2 months left. We are hoping that institute and we all are hoping that yes, there will be some more improvement in upcoming days. So yes, as per institute current scenario, exams are going to happen as per schedule. But if the situation not happen well in upcoming times, so yes, there will be some postponement from institute side. Institute always think about the betterment of every CMA student, so need not to worry about. Till now we have to focus on study, to consider that exams are going to start as per schedule. So now what about, you can say that, exam paper pattern. So for foundation exam, mostly the exam paper pattern will remain the same as December 20 exams. So for foundation student, you can consider that your exam will be remain as same. But yes, there will be some changes in, you can say, inter or final student. Okay, but and what about the, you can say that, the suggested answer will upload. So after declaring the re-verification or withheld result, institute will upload the suggested answers. Okay, but what will be the format for upcoming July 21 exam for inter or final students or foundation student as well as? So soon after withheld results or re-verification results or uploading the Jan 21 exams, institute will also upload, you can say that, model paper or mock paper. do practice more and more, and you can consider that this will be the format for upcoming July 21 exam. So mock paper, model paper will be, you can consider the format for upcoming June 21 exams. Okay, now what about, you can say that whether the training, as you know that for June 21 exams, all kind of training is exemptions, and now we are seeing that most of the final students are unable to get any articleships. So whether December 21 student will get the training exemptions or not. So as per Papan sir, it is too early to say anything at the present time. But if we see the situation, so yes, mostly institute will provide the December 21 student also all kind of training exemptions. And whenever I receive the information related with new batch of SAP or 100-hour computer training, so surely I will share the information related with you. Okay, and you can also share the information if you also get with me. So yes, for December 21 training, those students try their best. Apart, I have also told you that CMA update YouTube channel, CMA update YouTube channel, you will get all the informations related with fresher training job, inter or final training job. Apart from this, from wherever I'm getting the opportunity, I'm also sharing in the my Telegram channel. You can also apply and receive the accordingly any training. Now come to the new syllabus. So guys, Papan sir has taken that yes, all are facing this pandemic. Okay, institute is also affected with this, so there will be some delay. Earlier we have expectation that in June 22 or August 22 we can expect the you can say that the glimpse of new syllabus, but maybe it will take some more time. Those new aspirants who want to who are in the opinion that will they will take admission whenever a new syllabus come. So it is my humble request also, those need not to wait for the upcoming new syllabus. They need they on the immediately basis you can say that take the admission on the 2000 syllabus. Please understand, whenever any new syllabus come, institute will provide 4, 5 or more attempts for a old syllabus. So old syllabus will not, you can say that finish whenever a new syllabus come. So it is my humble request, those are waiting for taking an admission in a CMA course, take on 2016 syllabus. This exam will also extend whenever a new syllabus come. So these are the, you can say that the important point I have covered during the yesterday session. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, and whenever I'll get the official notification or information related with SAP training, new 100-hour computer training batch, mode of examination, or December 21 whether training exempt or not, surely I will share it with you. So still you have any doubt, you can ask me or need any guidance, I will surely help you. And Sunday 7:30 I'm coming live to resolve all your queries, where you can ask all the questions arising in your mind. So still you have any doubt, you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.